Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. For all those who are new to my channel, my name is Subhi and I make videos on makeup, beauty, fashion, travel, lifestyle and sometimes cooking. So please subscribe to my channel because I'm sure my videos will interest you. So as far as today's video is concerned, today's video is all about the products that I hated buying and spending my money on. But before I begin, I have a little disclaimer, that is, I do not have any intention to harm the repo of all these brands and I do not hate these brands in particular. However, I bought some of the products from their different ranges and I did not have a good experience with them, and this is just my personal opinion. So please do your research before you buy any of these products. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the very first product that I have here is this Mamaearth Skin Correct Face Serum with niacinamide and ginger extract, and that's how the container looks like. It costs rupees 600 rupees for 30 ml, and that's not less for a chotu sa serum. Basically, niacinamide is for people who have acne prone skin and battling with acne scars or acne marks, and since I hit puberty I've been facing acne, so I thought it could be my best friend, but no, I was wrong and it didn't do anything to my skin. So I thought, since niacinamide works great for the scars, so I thought it'll do something to my scars. Like, I was waiting for it to work on my scars, but no, that didn't happen. Then I thought maybe it'll cure my inflammation and calm down the redness that I have on my skin. Again, it failed. It didn't do anything. Then I thought I have some acne situation going on, it might camouflage or curb or do something to my face. No, it didn't do anything. In fact, after using it for 15-20 days, I felt that my skin is getting dry, patchy, as if it's craving for some hydration. So that's when I stopped using it and said it goodbye forever. And I totally regret that I wasted 600 rupees on this. So the second product that I have is this Nykaa Skin Potion Glow Boosting Facial Oil. So by looking at it, it looks like a great dupe for Sally. So the whole purpose of buying this Skin Potion Glow Boosting Oil to get something which is affordable but at the same time works on my dull skin and my uneven skin tone. But this did not do anything of that sort. So I thought, maybe I can use it with my foundation to provide that extra hydration and to make my makeup look a little dewy. But again, after using it with my foundation, I started realizing that it is giving me bumpy skin and acne on my skin. So that was a moment when I stopped using it and kept it away from my vanity and said goodbye to it forever. And this costed me rupees 700, which I really regret, and I'm not gonna buy this again. The next product is from one of my favorite brands. This is the Body Shop Drops of Youth, and my heart is aching while I'm speaking ill about this particular product. This is their Youth Liquid Peel. So basically it's an liquid exfoliant that works on your skin by removing dirt and dead skin from your face. But when I bought this product, I thought maybe it's a great goodbye to physical scrub like walnut scrub and all that jazz, and maybe it's time to upgrade to a liquid peel which will work much better than the physical scrub. But I was highly disappointed. It didn't do anything, and my 2000 rupees got wasted by buying this product. In fact, I would have bought something from any drugstore brand and scrubbed my dead skin and dirt away while saving my 2000 rupees. So I'm highly disappointed. So next product is from Color Bar Earth, and this is their argan oil. So basically this oil transforms skin, hair and nails, and it's made of precious argan oil and 7 other nourishing oils. Targets skin aging, stretch marks and uneven skin tone. So basically I bought this just for the purpose of my uneven skin tone. I only bought it on a recommendation of a friend. She told me that it's a great oil and it will work on my uneven skin tone and also will work a little bit on my blemishes and my acne marks. So I gave this product quite a lot of time, and as you can see, this one is almost over, and I have come to a conclusion that it does not do anything extraordinary to your skin. I specifically bought it for my uneven skin tone on the face and my acne marks. It didn't do much. And if we talk about hydration, yes, it provides hydration, but any other oil in my kitchen will provide the same hydration, be it coconut oil and olive oil. They'll both do the same work. Then why spend 800 rupees on just a bottle which contains 100 ml of an ordinary oil? So I don't hate this product, but then I'm not willing to spend 800 rupees on an ordinary oil bottle. Hence, I will not buy it again. So next product is from Blossom Kosher Aroma Magic. This is their Reviving Oxy Pack. So this claims to be a product that is a quick fix for dull, tired and sallow skin, and it pumps a good shot of oxygen molecules that instantly detoxify and energize skin clogged by environmental factors such as pollution and damage. So I live in Delhi, so I thought that it could be a great product because we all are suffering from pollution and sun damage. I gave it a window of 7-8 hours, and I really had a lot of expectations because after 7-8 hours you hope to see some result. But no, it didn't do nothing at all. Not a single trace of glow, radiance, nothing, unclogged skin, nothing at all. I mean, so I'm saying it a goodbye forever, and I'm never gonna buy it again. So last and the least product is again by Blossom Kosher Aroma Magic. This is their Insta Radiance Green Tea Pack, and that's how it looks like. It costed me rupees 395, just like the one before I showed you. And again, this product does nothing at all. So it claims to give you instant radiance. So I thought, maybe I can use this product whenever I have to go out to a special occasion and when I need that instant radiance. So I had a lot of expectations from this one, but then it did not fail to disappoint me. So I put this product for good 20 minutes hoping that I will glow like a diva, but no, nothing happened. It just gave me a little bit of radiance, that too for just 2 minutes, and then boom, everything vanished. So I got highly disappointed with this one. I'm done with this for good. So with this, you guys, I finished the whole video. I hope you liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And now I'll see you next time. Till then, take care of yourself, stay safe, bye.